Hello and welcome. Let us discuss this question that came in the year 2019 and is related to the topic pollution. The question is, in the context of proposals to the use of hydrogen-enriched CNG or HCNG as fuel for buses in public transport, consider the following statements. Number one, the main advantage of the use of HCNG is the elimination of carbon monoxide emissions. Number two, HCNG as fuel reduces carbon dioxide and hydrocarbon emissions. Number three, hydrogen up to 1/5 by volume can be blended with CNG as fuel for buses. And number four, HCNG makes the fuel less expensive than CNG. Now we know that DTC buses in Delhi, they uses CNG, and EPCA, Environmental Pollution Prevention and Control Association or agency, they recommended that CNG buses in Delhi should be replaced with HCNG buses. Now, as far as EPCA's study is concerned, for this purpose, the amount of buses, that is around 5,000 buses run, CNG buses run across Delhi. So, for 5,000 buses, around 300 crore plant setup is required for the production of HCNG and to convert this CNG into hydrogen enriched CNG. So the main advantage of hydrogen enriched CNG is, if we add 5% of hydrogen in CNG, then there will be drastic reduction in emission of pollutants like carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, nitrogen dioxide, also CO2. So CO and SO2, if we add even 5% of hydrogen in CNG, then there is reduction in 70% of emission of carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide. Also, the mileage of the vehicle improves, and the combustion quality, if used in internal combustion engines, then the combustion quality also improves if we use HCNG instead of CNG. Now, the main advantage of the use of HCNG is the elimination, not elimination but reduction by around 70%. So first statement is wrong. So there is reduction of carbon monoxide emission and not complete elimination. As far as second statement is concerned, HCNG as fuel reduces carbon dioxide and hydrocarbon emissions. This is true. As far as third statement is concerned, hydrogen up to 1/5 by volume can be blended with CNG as fuel for buses. Yes, hydrogen can, this much amount of hydrogen can be blended, and also IOCL, that is Indian Oil Corporation Limited, it suggested that hydrogen should be blended with CNG by using compact reforming process. Now, the main thing about hydrogen is the hydrogen is difficult to store. The storage of hydrogen is difficult, and directly mixing of hydrogen with CNG is difficult. So IOCL is suggesting that we should use compact reforming process in which 3 to 4% of hydrogen can be mixed by using this process. This process basically use pressure technique so that hydrogen can be mixed with CNG in an efficient manner, and by this process this much amount hydrogen up to 1/5 by volume can be blended with CNG as fuel for buses. As far as fourth statement is concerned, then HCNG makes the fuel less expensive than CNG. This statement is wrong because there is 1 to 2 rupees difference. 1 to 2 rupees difference as far as HCNG is concerned. If currently the price of CNG is around rupees 80 per kg, then HCNG will cost around 82 rupees per kg. Okay. So this statement is also incorrect. So 2 and 3 is the correct answer. Thank you.